The first icon to begin a physical count is Generate Inventory Worksheet. This generates a worksheet based on the criteria specified, of which it can then be printed and taken out to the warehouse to use for recording item quantities. It first prompts for the location range to be generated. The worksheet can also be generated for a specific account set. Remember, the account set is what is linked to the costing method. Then determine how the items are to be sorted. Choose by item, category code, segment of an item number, the picking sequence assigned to the item at the location, or by any of the optional fields linked to inventory items. This can be extremely useful if you need to count selected items more frequently, such as ABC inventory cycle counting. If the warehouse has sequentially organized bins and shelves, selecting the picking sequence code might be a good choice, so an entire section of the warehouse can be counted at once. For the purpose of this example, select it by item number and choose all items. Optionally enter a comment, such as Northwest Inventory Count. Next, specify which items to include. Either items from location only, meaning it only includes those items that are allowed at the location specified. In-use items only, meaning to only include items where an actual quantity exists at one of the locations specified above. Or all items from inventory list, meaning to include all items whether there are any in stock or not. Then indicate if the worksheet is to display the quantity on hand that should actually be in stock. Sometimes it might be better to not give the person counting the inventory a clue as to how many there should be on the shelves, and instead force them to actually count the items. However, for the purpose of this example, select the option anyway. When the Generate button is clicked, Accpac creates a worksheet that can be used for counting inventory. It also creates a temporary file that can be recalled when performing the next stage of the physical count process. It's probably worth noting that when a worksheet is generated, the physical count process must be completely finished before generating another worksheet. If not, then Accpac replaces the existing generated worksheet with a new one.
Let's take a look at the inventory worksheet.